Welcome to this guided meditation for restoring your sense of balance, vitality, and inner connection. Life can feel overwhelming at times, pulling us in different directions and making it hard to trust our bodies or find stillness in our minds. This meditation is here to help you reset, to rebuild trust in your body, calm your mind, and leave you feeling grounded and refreshed. So find a quiet space, get comfortable, and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly let it out. Again, inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand. And exhale, releasing tension. One more time. Inhale. And exhale completely. Allow your body to soften. Let your shoulders relax. Your jaw unclench. Your hands rest naturally. There's nothing you need to do right now except be here with yourself. Now bring awareness to your body. Notice how it feels without judgment, just observation. If there's any tension or discomfort, send your breath there like a wave of warmth, letting it soften with each exhale. Your body holds deep wisdom. It carries you through each day, supporting you in ways you may not always notice. Take a moment to appreciate it. Internally repeat these words. I trust my body. My body knows what it needs. I am safe within myself. Now shift your focus to your thoughts. Imagine your mind as a wide, open sky and your thoughts as passing clouds. You don't have to chase them or push them away. Just let them drift by. If a thought pulls your attention, gently return to your breath. Inhale, feeling a sense of lightness. Exhale, releasing any mental noise. With each breath, your mind becomes a little quieter, a little clearer. Now visualize roots extending from your body, deep into the earth, anchoring you. Feel the steady, grounding energy beneath you, supporting you. With each inhale, imagine drawing up strength, stability, and vitality from the earth. With each exhale, let go of anything that no longer serves you. Tension, stress, or fatigue. You are steady. You are supported. You are renewed. Gently bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if it feels good. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe lighter, calmer, or more connected to yourself. Carry this sense of balance with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. You deserve it.